Jeans are everywhere. You see them in classrooms, on construction sites, and even on red carpets. They're a global uniform, but have you ever stopped to think about where they came from? The funny thing is, they were never, ever meant to be fashionable. So, how did this rugged workwear conquer the world? Let's unravel the true story behind your favorite pair of pants. The journey of jeans starts long before they became a wardrobe staple. The word jeans itself comes from Genoa, a port city in Italy. Sailors there wore tough cotton trousers, which the French called gaines, and that became jeans. The fabric we all know and love, denim, gets its name from de Enchiems, meaning from Enchiems, a city in France famous for producing this sturdy twill cloth. So, we have Italian pants and French fabric, but the modern blue jeans as we know them. They were born in America. During the California Gold Rush, the year is 1873. A German-American businessman named Levi Strauss is supplying goods to the gold miners in San Francisco. He notices their pants are constantly ripping and falling apart under the strain of hard labor. A local tailor, Jacob Davis, has a brilliant idea. He suggests using copper rivets, those little metal buttons you see on your pockets, to reinforce the stress points, like the pocket corners and the base of the fly. This makes the pants incredibly durable. Davis didn't have the money to patent the idea himself, so he wrote a letter to Strauss, his fabric supplier. The two men went into business together, secured a U.S. patent for improvement in fastening pocket openings, and the first pair of Levi's blue jeans was officially born. So who were the first people to wear these new, rivetry-enforced trousers? They weren't fashion icons or celebrities. The very first adopters were the hardworking people who were building America. We're talking about gold miners who needed pants that wouldn't tear when filled with tools and rocks. Cowboys who spent long, grueling days on horseback and needed something that could withstand the rough-and-tumble life on the range. Railroad workers who laid the tracks that connected the country, and farmers who worked from sunrise to sunset. For them, jeans weren't a style choice, they were essential gear. They were built for durability, practicality, and pure function. Style wasn't even part of the conversation. So how did these humble work pants become a global fashion phenomenon? For that, we can thank Hollywood. In the 1950s, a new wave of rebellious movie stars hit the big screen. Icons like James Dean in Rebel Without a Cause and Marlon Brando in The Wild One wore blue jeans as a symbol of their cool, anti-establishment attitude. Suddenly, jeans weren't just for laborers anymore, they became a statement. The youth of the 50s and 60s saw these films and adopted jeans as their uniform of rebellion. Students, artists, musicians, and protesters wore them to signal their break from the conservative traditions of their parents' generation. Jeans became a powerful symbol of freedom, individuality, and a new, more casual way of life. From there, the influence of jeans only grew. They crossed every social and cultural boundary. By the 1970s and 80s, high-fashion designers started creating their own luxury versions, cementing their place in the world of style. Today, jeans are worn by everyone, everywhere. People of all ages, all genders, and from all walks of life have a pair in their closet. We have skinny jeans, baggy jeans, bootcut, straight leg, ripped, distressed, dark wash, light wash. The variety is endless. But no matter the style, they all carry a piece of that original spirit. From the gold mines of California to the fashion runways of Paris, the story of jeans is a fascinating journey. It's a story of work, rebellion, and ultimately, global connection. They started as a simple solution to a practical problem and evolved into a canvas for personal expression. So next time you pull on your favorite pair, remember the history stitched into every seam. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next dive into history. Thanks for watching.